Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best teen bracelet kit is probably one of the most fun and creative ways for teens to express themselves, offering a fantastic opportunity to unleash their imagination and create unique, personalized jewelry. This video will dive into a comprehensive review, helping you choose the perfect kit based on factors like materials, designs, and ease of use, ensuring you get the best value for your money and hours of crafting enjoyment. Number 5. Gionlion 6000 Clay Beads Bracelet Kit. It includes about 5,520 flat polymer clay beads in 24 colors, 550 charms, elastic strings, and even scissors. You'll have all the materials you need to start creating beautiful bracelets and jewelry right away. With 24 bright colors to choose from, the possibilities are endless. Mix and match the beads to create unique and colorful bracelets, necklaces, or earrings. These beads are made of high-quality polymer clay, so they're durable and safe to use. They're lightweight, comfortable to wear, and won't fade easily. They're perfect for making bracelets, necklaces, earrings, anklets, keychains, anything you can imagine. Let your creativity shine. It's a thoughtful and fun gift for girls who love crafting. It's great for birthdays, holidays, or just because. It encourages creativity and self-expression. We carefully check the quality of each bead to ensure you receive a perfect product. We're committed to providing high-quality crafting supplies. What we like? It has a wide variety of colors and a massive number of beads and charms. If you are looking for a comprehensive kit with everything included, this is the one for you. It's perfect for making many bracelets and is great value for money. What people say. The Gionlion 6000 Clay Beads Bracelet Making Kit is a comprehensive set featuring 24 colors of flat polymer clay beads, charms, and accessories for crafting friendship bracelets and jewelry. Designed for ages 6 to 12, the kit encourages creativity and fine motor skill development. Wide variety of 24 vibrant bead colors to suit any design preference. Includes charms, spacers, and strings for diverse bracelet and jewelry creations. Bright colors. Lots of accessories for different projects. Plastic container holds all items that are part of the kit for easy use and quick storage. The beads are exactly what she was looking for. She loves to make bracelets and this set was perfect. The colors were vibrant and the beads are good quality. Number 4. Gionlion Clay Beads Bracelet Kit. It comes with 24 classic colors, letting you create bracelets for any occasion. Mix and match to make themed bracelets, perfect for holidays or everyday wear. This kit isn't just beads, it's packed with letter beads, charms, and spacers. You have all the accessories you need to make unique bracelets. They're made of durable, safe polymer clay, comfortable to wear, and even waterproof. They're lightweight and won't fade easily. 2 handy boxes keep everything neat and tidy. It's easy to store and transport, perfect for crafting on the go. Make bracelets, necklaces, or even keychains. This kit inspires creativity and is perfect for hours of fun. It's a fun and thoughtful gift for kids and craft lovers of all ages. Great for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. We carefully check each bead to ensure you receive a perfect kit. It's recommended for ages 6 and up. What we like? This kit comes in 2 separate boxes for easy organization and portability. If you appreciate a well-organized crafting experience, this is ideal. The extra variety of charms lets you create unique designs. What people say. The Gionlion 6000 Clay Beads Bracelet Making Kit is a comprehensive set featuring 24 colors of flat polymer clay beads, charms, and accessories for crafting friendship bracelets and jewelry. Designed for ages 6 to 12, the kit encourages creativity and fine motor skill development. Wide variety of 24 vibrant bead colors to suit any design preference. Includes charms, spacers, and strings for diverse bracelet and jewelry creations. Bright colors. Lots of accessories for different projects. Plastic container holds all items that are part of the kit for easy use and quick storage. The beads are exactly what she was looking for. She loves to make bracelets and this set was perfect. The colors were vibrant and the beads are good quality. Number 3. Redtwo 5100 Clay Beads Kit. This complete kit has everything you need to create bracelets and jewelry. It's filled with colorful beads and charms, so let your imagination run wild. These beads are made of soft, premium polymer clay. They're safe, eco-friendly, and perfect for everyday wear. It's a great way for kids and adults to express their creativity. Spend quality time together making beautiful pieces. Looking for a fun and unique gift? This kit is perfect for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. It's a gift that keeps on giving. We stand behind our products. If you have any issues, contact us, and we'll provide a solution within 24 hours. What we like? It boasts a large number of high-quality, safe beads. If you prioritize safety and premium materials for your child, this kit is a great choice. The beads are durable and comfortable to wear. What people say? The 5100 Clay Beads Bracelet Making Kit is a fantastic all-in-one set for anyone who loves DIY jewelry crafting. With a huge variety of colorful clay beads, charms, and accessories, this kit offers endless possibilities for making bracelets, necklaces, and keychains. The beads are lightweight, durable, and smooth, making them comfortable to wear. Plus, the included elastic string and tools make it easy to get started right away. It comes with a good number of beads and you can make around 30 bracelets. The colors are very vibrant and I love that it even includes shells and some charms. There is a good amount of elastic to make many different things. The quality seems very good. Number 2. Deinduser Bracelet Making Kit. This kit comes with easy-to-follow instructions and video tutorials. Learn to string beads, tie knots, and create bracelets, earrings, and more, regardless of your skill level. It's a thoughtful present to spark creativity and improve dexterity. A fun and meaningful gift for kids, teens, friends, or yourself for any occasion. This comprehensive kit includes thousands of clay beads in 24 colors, alphabet beads, charms, and jewelry findings. Everything you see in the picture is included, except the stand. Enjoy quality time with your children, fostering creativity and bonding. It's a great way to keep kids away from screens and unleash their imagination. We stand behind our product. Contact us if there are any issues, and we'll provide a quick and satisfactory solution. Your satisfaction is our priority. With enough beads to make numerous bracelets and necklaces, this kit offers endless possibilities for crafting and self-expression. Get creative and have fun. What we like? This kit includes a massive amount of beads and extra accessories. If you're a beginner or want a kit with lots of options, this is perfect. The instructions and tutorials make it easy to get started. What people say? The beads were super cute. And were a great price for all the things it came with. There were many different pretty colors and things to make. It is a great way to start making clay bead bracelets. The kit comes with everything needed. The beads and string holds up very well. Great kit, with durable storage container, and a variety of beads. The beads are beautiful, just as pictured. The kit was incredibly easy to assemble, with clear instructions that made the crafting process enjoyable and stress-free. We love the array of colors too. The inclusion of gold beads with various textures and designs added a pop of glam and elevated the aesthetics of the bracelets. We love a gold shimmer. What impressed me the most was the generous amount of letter beads included in the kit, which helped us to spell out various lyric phrases and song titles from Taylor's Era Tour list. Number 1. Hapinest Clay Jewelry Kit. It's time to get crafty. This kit has everything you need to make your own unique jewelry. Mix and match the 8 colors of polymer clay to create custom shades. The possibilities are endless. With pendants, charms, beads, and more, you can design bracelets and necklaces that reflect your style. It includes all the tools you'll need, plus easy-to-follow instructions. It's perfect for beginners. Make beautiful jewelry to keep or share with friends and family. It's a perfect gift, too. Looking for a creative, screen-free gift? This kit is perfect for preteen and teen girls who love arts and crafts. What we like? This kit lets you create your own custom colors and designs. If you enjoy mixing and matching colors and creating unique pieces, this is the kit for you. It's perfect for making a small collection of bracelets and necklaces. What people say? The pieces are absolutely beautiful. The colors and designs are unique. This craft allows children to make beautiful handcrafted clay jewelry. Great for them to make gifts for friends and family. My daughter loved making the clay beads so much, I had to buy a second box lol. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.